Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by laying the back panel flat and aligning the side panels into their channels. This sets the cabinet squareness. Once the sides are seated, clamp them and pre-drill 3 holes per joint with a 3 mm bit to prevent splitting. Make sure to countersink so screw heads sit flush and won't compress the gasket later. Tighten screws incrementally, alternate corners to keep the frame square, and check diagonals. You want equal diagonals before moving to the next step. Once the carcass is square, slide the shelf into place on its cleats and confirm its level because bowls need stable support. Next, press the silicone gasket into the door rabbet. The gasket compresses to form the dust seal, so leave a millimeter gap at overlap for proper compression. Attach the door to the hinge plates and mount it temporarily, then open and close to observe contact points. Make sure to tweak hinge shims so the gasket compresses evenly around the perimeter. You finish by running a thin bead of silicone along external seams to block fine dust. Smooth it with a wet finger or tool and remove excess before it skins over. Once cured, anchor the cabinet into studs using screws sized for the load so the door alignment won't shift over time. After final mounting, inspect the gasket. If you see light bleed through, loosen hinges and reseat the gasket or sand minor high spots on the door edge. That corrects uneven sealing without rebuilding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.